Welcome back to our next video. Today we're diving into the amazing world of DuckDB. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be a pro at creating tables in SQL, as well as you will be pro at inserting queries of the DuckDB. So, let's get started. All right, let's start writing this query. Let's break this down. We can start writing this query as create table employee. This tells DuckDB that we want to create a new table named employee, ID integer. This defines a column called ID, which is an integer. Name varchar 50. This column stores the employee's name as a string with a maximum of 50 characters. Phone number numeric. This column stores a 10-digit phone number in numeric format. So once we execute this query, DuckDB will create a brand new employee table for us. You can also see this message in the result window below. Next, we can also verify whether the table is created or not. In the left panel, we can refresh the tables menu. You can see we have our table employee there. Next, we're going to learn how to insert data into a table, both one record at a time and multiple records at once. Let's break this down. Imagine we just hired a new employee named Alice. We need to add his details to our employee table. This is where the insert into statement comes in. We can write this query as insert into employee. This tells DuckDB that we want to add new data to the employee table. Now values with few data as 1 or Alice as name. This inserts the following details: 1 as employee ID, Alice as employee name, and this next number as phone number. Once we run this query, Alice is officially part of our database. Now, what if we want to add multiple employees at once? Instead of writing separate insert statements for each, we can do this in one go. Insert into employee values. This tells DuckDB to insert multiple rows at once. Each set of parentheses represents a new record containing each record as a new employee. If there are 3 records, then that means there are 3 employees that will be inserted as records. With just one query, we've added 3 new employees in one shot, fast and efficient. Inserting multiple records at once is a best practice because it's faster and reduces the number of queries your database has to process. So, if you have a lot of data to insert, this method is your best friend. If you want to see how many records we have inserted or what records we have available in this table, so directly, we can run our select query as select star from employee. Now run this query, we can see we have all the records available from this table and it's giving us the total number of counts. Total 4 records we have in this table. That's all we have in this video. I hope you have learned something new today. Let's see in the next video.